Hello sweet friends, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I have a project share for you using these Scrapdiva design dies. And it is a project that I've had on my mind for a while and I want to share that with you. After this project, I will be doing the tutorial for the mini album, which is this one right here. I know I promised that to you. And after this video, I will be working on this project. So let me share the dies that I used for today's project. We're going to start with the Grateful word, and I just love the font on these words. They make a beautiful presentation. This is Grateful, and you get the backing, the shadow for it. And then this is the word Thankful, and I'll give you a quick look at it right there with the backing for the shadow. Then I have these wavy tags, and I used the large one for my project. I used both pieces. That's an oldie but goodie die. This is another one that's a little bit older, and this is the leaves bundle, and I used that. And then last but not least, I again used this is the 3D Embellishment Book, and I will share this with you in just a moment. Now I'm going to have affiliate links in the description box below for all of these dies. The affiliate links do not cost you anything, but they do help me in my channel, and I appreciate you all using the affiliate links so very much. It helps me in my channel. You can also use Carol10 at checkout. All right, I'm going to bring my project here into view, and let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your comments and support. So here we have the embellishment book again, and I actually created it the way it was meant to be created, with the box on the bottom right there, you can see. And here you can see how beautiful this is. I even used the words made with love, which comes with the die set. These are not the flowers from the die set though. I did use the leaves. Let me pull it into view here. There's a leaf with this set. Let me go ahead and pull it out. You get these leaves, and I did use those, and I cut them apart for here. And this is the leaf bundle. It's called the leaf bundle is that. And then these are from this right here. And I just used some dies from my stash to layer for my focal point. This is a Cottage girl from my porch prints. And this is the fall Halloween Cottage girls. So this one, I know I had done the Halloween with the bracelets, and I did the fall with this one, and you'll see why. And I'll just turn it around so you can see the back. And now we're going to open it up, and I will push this out of the way so I don't burn my project. So what I have created here, what this was for, what I have in mind is these are tags that were made to put on baked goods for the fall and Thanksgiving. It doesn't have to be Thanksgiving, but if you give away goodies to people like cookies, you bring your neighbor a loaf of pumpkin bread or something like that, these are for that, and I'll share that with you in just a moment. So I put some recipe cards in here. I have not written my recipes on here yet, but I have several recipes for fall breads. I like making pumpkin bread. I like making zucchini. I like something called Bishop's bread. It's a recipe from back in the 70s where you use dates, chocolate chips, cherries, raisins, and walnuts, and it's excellent. I also like making banana bread. Not sure if I said pumpkin bread or not, but pumpkin is a top one. Cranberry nut bread, those kinds of things. So you can see I used the insert like this way this time. And I'm going to write some recipes on here. And I will share with you the tags that I made. So let me just put that out of the way. And the intention for these is that you would take your, let me get some ribbon here just for a second. So the way I would use these is, say this was a loaf of pumpkin bread. I would wrap it in cellophane, and then I would wrap a ribbon, a pretty ribbon. This is just white. I've got something prettier. Let me see. Here we go. I would wrap a pretty ribbon around my loaf of bread like this, and I would tie it in a bow. We're just imagining this as a loaf of bread. I would tie it like that around my loaf of bread, and then I would take the tag and I would tie it around this part. And I just think it would make a pretty, really pretty presentation on your baked good. So just imagine that that was a loaf of bread with the ribbon tied around it and then the tag. And you could bring that to a home for a hostess gift, or just bring it because you want to do something nice for someone. So here you can see, I'm going to show you my tags. This is the word thankful, and I mounted it onto this wavy tag. I used some round dies from my stash to layer this up, and this is an old Sizzix pumpkin die. I will share this with you. It is old. I know you can't get this anymore, but I've had this for a long time. So I layered that on there, and you see my diamond dots, and then I just punched a hole and put the twine in it. And so I made some with owls. This one also says thankful, and I have this owl here from, this is an old Cottage cuts die as well. I love using my older dies. This one says grateful. This one says Thanksgiving. So I used the owl and the pumpkin dies. Here's another one, and here's another one. So basically I made 12 of the tags, and the 12 tags do fit into this box. As you can see here, there are 6 tags in this packet right here, and I just put them in the cellophane so they would stay all together and not fall out of the box. So I thought this was a cute idea, so I just layer them like this to get them into the box, just like that, and put them in the cellophane. And it makes a wonderful gift, or it's something for yourself so that you have on hand when you want to do some baking for others. And here you can see I have a little cottage girl, and this is also a ephemera from the Cottage Girls. You do get some extra little pictures here and there on that, and when you make your box, you just attach it to the spine on this. And then on this side, I have some more ephemera from the Cottage Girls set. And here is another Cottage Girl. And I have 6 recipe cards on this side. So you can make this very, very usable, and you can have a lot of fun with it. So that was my project for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, I'm going to have a tutorial on how to put the album together. And so I'll be showing you how to do all of this. The only thing I haven't shown is how to put this together, but this is really simple, and maybe I can show it in that video. So super cute. I love this. It's a great gift to give to someone, or swap. This would be great for a swap or some happy mail. So thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it so very much. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.